over the lifespan of a car, there is a total cost associated with it that's not just included in the ticket price, including things like oil changes, gas, etc. But we're saying that the overall cost is a function of the total number of miles traveled. When you finally take your car to the junkyard, the odometer reads 157,200 miles. In A, we want to write a function, C of m, to represent the situation. Okay, well, the cost, how are we going to get the total cost? Since it's 36 cents per mile, that means cost can be found by taking the number of miles you travel and multiplying it by 0.36. So if we have dollars per mile and we multiply it by the number of miles, just like if you think about dollars per hour times the number of hours that you work, you get total dollars. So in this case, our dollars per mile is 36.36 or 36 cents times the number of miles. So symbolically, we would say cost as a function of miles can be found by taking 36 cents, multiplying it by m, the number of miles. Well, the practical domain is it kind of depends on how long you keep the car. So, well, would you buy a car and keep it for 0 miles? Probably not. You probably wouldn't even be able to get off the lot doing that. So rather than to say, well, first of all, let's think of endpoints. So 0 up to the maximum number of miles. So the domain in this case ranges from 0 to 157,200 miles. Now, since this is miles, we'll put an m in between here. So up until and including 157,200, the car is fine. But we probably keep the car for more than 0 miles, so we probably don't want to say 0 is less than or equal to. Well, okay, so what are the costs going to be then? If you don't travel 0 miles, you travel more than that, then your cost has to be bigger than 0. Now your cost is going to be smaller than or equal to, depending on how many miles you travel, 157,200 miles times 36 cents per mile. So that means that if we took multiplied these two together, that would tell us the total cost of driving this number of miles right here.